Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Nilfisk Adfinity 20D 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this short video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your machine to keep it running at peak performance to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So maybe your vac hose has a hole in it and it's leaking, or you don't have any good suction. We need to replace it. So pop it off of your squeegee assembly like that. Next, we're going to open up the machine and take it off the other side. So now we open up the machine to reveal the other side of the hose. And then what you want to do is you've got a hose clamp on here. We're going to loosen that up. Just like that. Now we can remove the other side of the hose. So now I'm going to feed the vac hose upward. You may have to jiggle it around a little bit to get it out of there, but that's how you take it out. Now this is a brand new vac hose, so to install it, just reverse the steps. Feed it back down. Go ahead and put your hose clamp back on. Then put it back on the recovery tank and tighten that hose clamp down. Then what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom of the machine and grab the bottom part of the hose and pull it the rest of the way out. And then go ahead and attach that back to your squeegee assembly. Next, all you got to do is close the lid. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. Now for all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.